There you go. Come on, do it. I was still trying to fix it.
Cooper, don't, buddy. You will get sick if you eat a balloon. Don't do that.
How about you put him on his knees until we're done with this?
We may have to. Now that other one stayed on here.
This one is not.
Stop. Sit down.
It's gonna get so big, right?
I know. We could take a couple to Grandma and Grandpa's and show the girls.
The what?
We could take a couple to Grandma and Grandpa's and show the girls.
It's already too big. Oh, honey? Honey?
You ready for me to unleash it?
Yeah. That was awesome.